welcome back to Resident Evil. We are with Jill in the residence store room. So let's get some stuff. We're gonna finish off. We're gonna go back to dealing with that shark. I don't need that, and I don't need that. I'm just carrying around the book because I don't really know where it goes. I want. Ooh, I'll just take this. It's already made. I guess I should keep going. Can I open this one? Can I examine it? Open. But I want to open. Oh, there we go. Woohoo! Nice. Cool. Okay. Well, let's throw one back in. It's a box with ground up green stuff. It's like, that's suspicious in itself. Okay, let's put this one back. Okay, there we go. So we have to go say hi to the plant that's gonna get us. Annoying plant. This way. 1, 2, 3, plant. Let go of me. Fucker. At least it doesn't scare me anymore. Shh, stupid plant. Okay. Ooh, miss the bees. I think they're bees. I don't know what they are. Alright, where's the ladder? Ooh. Yes. Ting, 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 ting. Huh, why is there noise out here? Okay, we have to go through this door. It took a long time to open. Should I be suspicious? Probably not. Is there anything over here? No, I think I picked everything up. I'm gonna switch to my shotgun. Just in case. There's nothing down here before. Is there anything in this room? No. There might be something in the next room. Okay, we don't need to go in that door. Ah, yes, those. Yes. Anything else? No. Okay. This one? Yes. This one. Okay. Let's look for stuff. So we gotta go deal with that shark. Let's go try and deal with that shark first. There he is. In all his glory, I guess. He's not gonna do anything until after. Okay. Let's pull this. Everything will get electrocuted. Boom. And then he wakes up. Wakey, wakey. What? Oh! Oh, what if I turn it off? And then turn it back on. Will that work? Oh, yep. That works. Alright. Deep sixth. It's toast. Does that mean I can go in the water now? He's still twitching. I don't like that. I don't wanna... fuck it. See, is he dead? Looks like it. Boom. Yes. Oh, okay. Please don't come back to life. Awesome. Alright, it's all green now. I want to look at that key. Examine. Gallery. Okay. Just the one I wanted. Alright. Let's get the fuck out of here. Well, that was fun. So how do I get out of here again? We should take... Is it... No. No, this one. Right? Because the other one would be blocked because the boxes have fallen, right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Come on, let's go. And we're gonna have to tell Barry that we took on a shark. Big nasty shark. Because we're cool like that. So where was the gallery room? Oh, it's that one. Okay. Okie dokies. Do do do. Do do do. Yes. Ting 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 ting. Alright. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, the bloody handprint. It's great. Yeah. Yeah. No. Let's just go inside. We'll come back and do everything else later. Oh. Interesting. Ooh. Oh, fuck me. No, 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 no. What's this? Fuck off. Trying to look around, and you guys are causing mayhem. Oh, shit, 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 shit. Yes. Oh. 1, 2, 3. No. Ooh. What the fuck? Ah, shit. Fuck off. I'm gonna have to shoot these fuckers. No, 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 no. fuck off. I'm basically just gonna come back in and go right back in. Stupid bees. Can I shoot them with my shotgun? Where are they? There. Oh shit, I don't have room. No, I said shoot them! No, I said shoot! There. I wasted a lot of bullets doing that. Oh shit! Who? What the fuck? What's this? Huh. What is he holding? Oh, okay. Let's... Fuck off! We need to get that. Okay. Oop, 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 oop. Fucking bees. Get the fuck away from me. Then we gotta deal with this guy. No, 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 no. Don't go in there yet. Go right back in there. It's like, yeah, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Fucking no, it's not. Okay. What do we need to get rid of? Let's get rid of these. Maybe. You go there. You go there. Oh, and we're out of those, so you can go there. Don't I have more? That's what I get for wasting them all on. Well, whatever. Yeah, I'll have to, oh, I should save. I should save. That would be a smart idea. Let's be smart. Go back to this. Yes, 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 yes. I want to save. Yes. Done. Let's go. Let's go. Save 27 times. Oh my god. That's what happens when you go back to the last save point. What? I still have 12. There. No, and I should take this. No, I can go one more. One more hit. Don't want to lose it too quickly. But I have to go right back here. This. Now I'm hurting. Now I'm hurting. That's normal. I'm always hurting. What door do we need to go in? Right. This one. Let's take it in here. Just so we don't die. There. Oh. Yes. Will you take it? Fucking yes. Can I use it now? Nope. Oh! No, fuck off. Oh. Can I use it now? No, I want to use... I don't know when you want me to use it. Ugh. Let's take this. Oh, oi, 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 oi. Fucking hell. Fuck off me. And then this one was blocked? Or something? Oh, go away! Oh my god. Can I examine it? Then can I use it? No, 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 no. Fuck off. Get the fuck off me. Alright, well that sucked. Okay, there's... I wonder if I could blow them up. Instant fire. So let's blow them up. I should try that. Do I still have this? Yeah. Let's go blow it up. Better watch out, kitties. I'm gonna blow your fucking little hive up. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Okay, let me see, let me see, let me see. No, I want you to shoot that way. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Let me shoot it. No, 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 no. I don't think I'm any closer to it. This was a mistake. Oh, yeah, mistake. Never mind. Did I waste all my ammo on that? I did. Whoopsies. That didn't work. At all. Do I have to combine it with something? Oh, Jesus. No. 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 Okay, I didn't think so. No. Huh? Huh? No. Like, when am I supposed to use it? I hate this thing. Now I hurt real bad. Because I just stood there and let it fucking take me. But whatever. Okay. I don't know why it's important. I don't know. I'm gonna get some health. I'm gonna put this in there too. I'm wasting all my ammo on the fucking stupid shit. Good job, me. Oops. There we go. Or no, I'll just take this stuff. It should be okay. Yeah. There we go. All better. Do I still got the... Yes. The spray stuff. I still got it. So I'm gonna see where the bees in this area come from. Or not this area, but past this guy again. Can I do anything about that guy? Or is it just gonna keep doing that? Because I don't know. Okay. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, what's this? I've been wondering what this is. Oops, no. I see a giant beehive. There it is. Oh boy. Can I use it now? Oh yeah. Bye bye. Blah blah. Oh god. Oh, I used it all apparently. Oh, fuck off. Where are we going? Now they're really angry at me. I thought there was tons of stuff left inside it. Apparently it was wrong. Let's take this. Yes. Ooh. Yes. Is that it? No. I guess it's in over here. Hey, dude. Examine. What do you say on it? Oop, wrong one. 3. That's what I kind of figured. No! Shit. Nah, whatever. It's somewhere on the ground. Ooh. Ooh. What is this room? Oh, there's a typewriter here. What's in this room? This is on a safe room. It's just a typewriter. There's no item box. Another bathroom. You know, if Resident Evil and pick it up. Ooh. And the Grudge haven't told me something. It's bathtub full of stuff is bad. Okay, that one's good. Where's the door? I forget where the door is. Door, right there. Kind of blends in. It's like door. Where's the door? I hear something. I don't like it. Hello? Huh. Big plant. Alright. Old maps. Ooh. There's one white book. Yeah. Ooh, organic chemistry lab experiment. Oh, I was an OChem. Similarities in the cellular characteristics of the rapidly growing plant infected by the tyrant virus. Ooh. Have been reported in previous papers. However, while repeating these experiments, an interesting new fact became clear. We learned that a chemical in the UMB family, UMB number 20, contains a compound that is toxic to cells of the plant. Ooh, can I get some of that? I'm gonna kill this fucking plant. We have given UMB number 20 a new name, V-Jolt. If calculations prove correct, when V-Jolt is applied directly to the root of the plant, the entire plant should be dead within 5 seconds. Oh my god. It'd be like, boom, done. The V-Jolt can be made by simply mixing the VP and the UMB chemicals in a specific ratio. However, extra care must be taken when handling these UMB chemicals. They have been known to generate toxic gas if mishandled. Ooh, that's not good. Oh god. The characteristics of each UMB chemicals are as follows. UMB number 3, red. Yellow 6, yellow. UMB number 7, green. UMB number 10, orange. BP 17, blue. V-Jolt, dark brown. Oof. I'm not going to remember any of that. Cool. Oh, and this room's done too now. Alright. I still need a couple keys. Well, that one's blocked by something. I think it's possibly blocked by the plant. I have no idea about that room. The other red door in this screen. Oh yeah, that's the code door. I don't know about that yet. But I'm gonna save here. Well, this is like the dining room, or the dining hall. There's no item box, but it's closed off. It should be safe. Hopefully it's not like the cabin. Cabin in the woods, like, you know, like, when has a cabin in the woods been safe, actually? Like, tell me that, oh, they left their slippers there, too. There's some slippers. Alright, well, I'm gonna leave it here. We got the shark. We killed the bees. It's pretty productive. Thank you so much for watching. You all have a good night. Giant beehive. There it is. Can I use it now? Oh, yeah.